Okay, so I've come out today to Mappleton. Finished work at 5, just driven up here, driving for about an hour and a half. So yeah, should get a couple of hours in. Time's just going out, so should be like till about 9 o'clock. So I'll get down there, parked in the free car park that's in Mappleton, and yeah, I'll head down and see what we find. So the good thing about Mappleton is there's a free car park which holds probably about 12 cars. Lovely little cafe around the corner, very nice. And yeah, get a good view of the beach from the top, so that's where we'll be heading. And we'll have a walk along the cliffs and see if there's anything in the cliffs, and then when the tide goes out a bit more, walk along the boulder fields and see if we spot anything. So I'm on the beach, but I'm going to head down the beach as far as I can get, because it's quite a popular area, especially in the daytime, in the summer holidays. So even though the tide's only just gone out, it's probably been quite picked over, and there's loads of beach. So I'll head down and then start having a look. Yeah, see a little ammonite on there. Might be worth taking home to prep. I don't know if you can see, but in here there's quite a bit of iron pyrite. Fool's gold. Focus in. A few bits, so I'll get them out.